Mohammed Umuru, how easy is it to fix the clips and brackets onto base wall? In event of a mistake in the point where clipper bracket is fixed, can it be unpinned and shifted to another point? Yeah, you could, because basically what you're doing is you're shifting that bracket over. If I can make it relatable, if you ever missed a spot on a wall, or if you're putting a Tapcon into a brick in the mortar joint and maybe that mortar wasn't so great, or you overturned the bolt and it isn't holding, it's just spinning, you have to go into another location. Usually within an inch is your limit, but if your drill hole is like right next to the other one, you're not going to be able to refasten in that area. Mind you, if you really had to, you could fill that, repoint that hole that you made somehow, maybe with some mortar, or use an expansion anchor in that place. But most of the time, the rainscreen system is so adjustable that repositioning the clip, that's taken up in the actual rail and the girt assembly, versus having to replace where your clip is located. And if it's really a huge problem, I would just install another clip and abandon that location altogether.